Hey guys, so I'm back with another video. It's actually my first video and today we'll be making 3 ingredient slime. So you need soap that you should already been putting in here. It's called dishwash liquid soap. So it's just basically soap, washing soap. Not for the laundry, like a laundry powder soap, like dishes soap. And then next you add salt. Make sure you don't add a lot, just a pinch. And next you'll need this shampoo, guys. Make sure you add a lot. Now guys, start mixing. Sorry about the noise. If it's too watery, just keep on adding shampoo. You don't wanna add dishwash soap or salt, or else it will make it runny. So right now, guys, it looks like this. And just try have a feel. You'll see. See? Right now, it's not even sticking, guys. Look, I'll even show you my finger. Look, not even sticky. I'll do it with this finger. Start mixing, and I'll be back when I'm done mixing. So I'm back. So right now I've finished mixing, and I'll show you how it looks like. And this is a 3 ingredient slime. Look, 3 ingredient slime, which is really easy. Okay, so and now you want to add food coloring. That's pink, because you can't add a food coloring that's blue when the soap is already pink. So you want to add food coloring and start mixing and put it in the fridge for just say 10 minutes. And I'll be back when that happens. And after that, you put it into a plastic container and yeah. Guys, so I'm back. So right now, I just put them into little containers and I fill them up with food coloring. Put it in the fridge for 10 minutes. And right now, the slime. Look. So this is the slime that we have today. Sorry, I accidentally broke it right there. Oops, sorry. I'm not holding it properly. So I also made a blue one for my brother. It was actually pink shampoo, and I put food coloring and it turned into blue. Strange. It's a little bit purple, as you can see. So guys, it does make noise, and this slime is called see-through slime. Oops! See, because you can see through it. So guys, I'll be back because I just dropped some slime. So guys, sorry, I just picked up my brother's slime because I accidentally dropped it. It's so blue and nice. Now I'm going to show you mine. Mine's pink. I know my favorite color is not pink. My favorite colors are blue and purple. But I had no purple food coloring. But yeah. Guys, I'm just going to get rid of the slime. It doesn't even stick, guys. So that's the good thing. You don't want slime to stick in your hand. Only if you like slime in your hand. Okay, so right now I'm gonna move on to mine's the pink one. I tried to make it. It's like purplish pinkish because I put a lot of food coloring. I really wanted it to be pink. Guys, wait. The slime doesn't stick, but it's some. So this is my slime. You guys, I'll be making more videos like warhead challenge, wet head, and everything, playing games, pranks on my parents, on my siblings, and everything. It looks like it's stuck, but it's not. And yeah, so thanks for watching this video. That's what only 3 ingredients slime. Make sure you ask your parents to make it, and yeah. So I got a pink one and a blue one. So I hope you guys liked this video. Like, share, subscribe, and let people watch it. You can tell them 3 ways to make slime. And yeah. Thanks for watching.